Hey gang, Poppy here. This morning, sunrise, it was beautiful. A blood red sun from the combination of forest fire smoke and the marine layer. It'll probably be around noon before we need to turn on the swamp. Then we'll really need it because of the humidity from the marine layer and the smoke from the forest fires. I was glad to see the AVE's farmstead didn't burn down. I really was. I told him so. I also requested he post more and longer videos. So AVE, if you're watching this, more of them and longer. Okay? I mean, the fires are, well, almost everyone knows about the Northern California forest fires. They're burning up everything. If you don't, look in the news. Search for Northern California forest fires, 2021. And ask yourself, it was just last month, the entire town in British Columbia burned to the ground. When was the last time you heard about an entire Canadian town burning down? I mean, I don't even think back in the time when the burglar of Banff was running around burglarizing in Banff. They didn't have an entire town burned down. And if they did, that's because that was a long time ago and they didn't have fire engines. So if you want to deny that we've changed the climate, you go right ahead. We did it to ourselves. Now people are talking about electric cars and trucks. What are you going to burn to make the electricity for your damn Tesla? Got to burn something. Oh, nuclear power? Hold your breath waiting for a new nuclear power plant to be built in America, baby cakes. Windmills? There's always some shithead coming along. It's ugly. I can't see the mountain. Photovoltaics. Yeah, you got to have sunshine. So on those winter days when the sun ain't shining because of the clouds and the rain, how are you going to charge your Tesla? Now that leaves coal, oil, and natural gas in those big power plants. You're still burning something. Fossil fuels, continuing to pollute, accelerating the death cycle of the human being on this planet. A better idea is steam. You can chuck wood from the side of the road into your firebox. Lessen the fire danger along the roads. And it's not fossil carbon. It's shallow. This is stuff that's floating around naturally, being recycled every time a plant starts growing. Anyway, we've screwed ourselves. The human race is over.